Good morning, dear students. So today let us start a new topic called trigonometric functions. Okay. So already you have studied about the trigonometric functions. There are 6 trigonometric ratios. What are there? Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, cosecant theta and secant theta. Right. So we have 6 trigonometric ratios. Okay. So where theta is the angle which is subtended at the center of the circle. So here let us consider that 6 trigonometric ratios with definition. What is the definition of sin theta? So if we consider a right angle triangle, okay, so here I am considering the right angle triangle, that is triangle ABC, where theta is the angle at C. Okay, so this is 90 degree. So angle ಗೆ opposite ಬರೋ side opposite side ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So 90 degree ಗೆ opposite hypotenuse, remaining side is adjacent. Okay, so here sin theta, definition of sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse. Okay, opposite by hypotenuse. So next is cos theta. What is the definition of cos theta? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Okay, so adjacent by hypotenuse. Next is tan theta. Tan theta is opposite by adjacent. Okay, and other 3 trigonometric ratios are reciprocal of these 3 trigonometric functions. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ already study ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ, just ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ refresh ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದಷ್ಟೇ. Okay, so for sin theta, so reciprocal is cosecant theta. So definition is hypotenuse by opposite. Okay, next is for cos theta, reciprocal is secant theta. So definition is hypotenuse by adjacent. Okay, so lastly tan theta reciprocal is cot theta. Definition is adjacent by opposite. So these are the 6 trigonometric functions. So we have the definition. Okay, so next we have the another formulas. So let us know about the relation between the sine and cosecant. Here sin theta into cosecant theta is equal to 1. Okay, so here we can write this as an sin theta is equal to 1 by cosecant theta. These are the reciprocal formulas. Okay, sin theta is equal to 1 by cosecant theta, or cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Okay, so this is one of the relation, and the second relation is cos theta into secant theta is equal to 1. Okay, so here the reciprocal of cos is 1 by secant theta, and the reciprocal of secant theta is 1 by cos theta. So next, thirdly, tan theta into cot theta. Okay, tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. The reciprocal of tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta, and the reciprocal of cot theta can be written as 1 by tan theta. So these are all the reciprocal formulas what we have studied in the previous classes, right? And also we have the standard equations. What is sin square theta plus cos square theta? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is always equal to 1, right? So 1 plus tan square theta is equal to, so what is 1 plus tan square theta? Secant square theta. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. Okay, so these are the 3 standard equations of the trigonometric functions, and also we have some formulas. You should recall that all formulas, and you have to list that formulas in a notes. Okay, so ನಿಮ್ಮ trigonometry notes ನಲ್ಲಿ last page ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು previous 10th ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ಇಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್, ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ಸ್, ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್, ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಥೀಟಾ. ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಇಸ್ sin theta by cos theta, right? What is cot theta? Cot theta is cos theta by sin theta. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನು ಫರ್ದರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. So next let us move on to the trigonometric functions of an acute angle. Okay, so next let us move on to the trigonometric functions of minus theta. Minus theta means it is an acute angle, okay, where theta is an acute angle. If the angle angle is minus theta. ನೀವು previous classes ಅಲ್ಲಿ positive angle ನಲ್ಲಿ study ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, right? So instead of theta, if we get sin of minus theta, what is the resultant? Cos of minus theta, what is the resultant we get? So let us know about that one. Okay, so here I am considering a circle with center O. Before going to the circle, let us consider the coordinate axis. Illa coordinate axis ಬಗ್ಗೆ study ಮಾಡಿದಿರಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So let us consider the coordinate axis x and y axis. This is the origin O. So let us consider this as a center of the circle. Consider a unit circle. What is the meaning of unit circle? So unit circle means radius is always equal to 1. Okay, so ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಏನ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 ಯೂನಿಟ್. Okay, so here let us take 2 points on the circle. Let P and Q be any 2 points on the circle. Since the point P is in first quadrant, I think you all know the quadrants. This is first one, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, right? This is fourth quadrant. In first quadrant, both x and y are positive. In second quadrant, x is negative, y is positive. In third quadrant, both x and y are negative, right? So in fourth quadrant, x is positive, y is negative. So these are the sign notations belongs to the quadrants. So here, since point P is in first quadrant, so here let us take the coordinates of point P is x, y. So ಎರಡು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನಿ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ since in first quadrant both are plus plus, I am taking plus x plus y. Let the coordinates of point Q be x, minus y. Okay, I have taken in a general form. If we join OP and OQ, so OP and OQ are the radius of the circle. So here the radius is always equal to 1 unit because I have taken a unit circle. Okay, so now draw PM, okay, and QM. See here, let us take this point as M. Draw PM, QM, which is perpendicular to OX. So this is the axis, OX axis. So here I am drawing the line PM and QM, which is both are perpendicular to OX line. Okay, let angle POM be theta. So angle POM be theta and angle QOM be minus theta. Okay, so that is the positive way. So therefore I have taken the angle is theta. So here we are taking in the clockwise direction means we have to consider angle in a negative. Therefore I have taken here minus theta. Okay, so here see here we are getting, so let us consider the upper right angle triangle now. I am taking separately that one. Okay, so here this is the origin O, this is the value is 1 P M. So here the angle is theta. Okay, so since the line PM is parallel to which axis? Y axis. Is it clear? The line PM is parallel to y axis. It takes y length. What is the y length here? Y. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ y coordinate ಇದೆ. So ಅದರದ್ದು length ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ. Okay. ನೋಡಿ the line OM. The line OM is parallel to, is on which axis? X axis, right? So OM is on x axis. It takes x length. So here the x length is, so here the x length is x itself. Therefore here OM is x, PM is y. I think this is clear. So why I am taking PM as y means because the line PM is parallel to y axis. Here the line PM is parallel to y axis. It takes y length and the line OM is on x axis. So therefore it takes x length. Therefore it is x. Okay, I have taken separately. By using this right angle triangle, let us define the trigonometric functions. Okay, so here from triangle POM. Okay, so from triangle POM, what is sine theta? What is the definition of sine theta? See here, angle opposite side is opposite side. This is the hypotenuse side because 90 degree opposite yav barutte, that is the hypotenuse. Remaining side is the adjacent. So now we have to write sine theta. What is the definition of sine theta? Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite value is y. So hypotenuse value is 1. So here we get y by 1. Okay. So next is cos theta. Definition of cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent value is x by hypotenuse value is 1. Okay. So tan theta. Tan theta is equal to, definition of tan is opposite by adjacent. So therefore we get y by x. Okay. So similarly we have to write the another 3 trigonometric functions. Let us write now. So sin theta barkondidivi andre cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is reciprocal of sine. So definition ಏನು ನೋಡಿ, hypotenuse by opposite ಬರುತ್ತೆ, that is 1 by y. So here 1 by y. So next is secant theta. Secant theta is 1 by x. Cot theta. Cot theta is equal to x by y. Okay. So this is by using the upper right angle triangle. And also we have another right angle triangle, right? So let us write another lower right angle triangle. Below nallu ಒಂದು right angle triangle ಇದೆ. So ನೋಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದೀನಿ ಇವಾಗ. Okay. So this is the right angle triangle. This is O. This is M. And this is Q. Okay. So see here. The line MQ. MQ is parallel to which axis? Y axis. So therefore it takes y coordinate. What is the y coordinate here? Minus y. Therefore its length is minus y. See here? Minus y. And the line OM is on x axis. It takes x coordinate. X coordinate is x only. Here we get x. So OQ. OQ is the radius. Radius is always equal to 1 because we have taken unit circle. ನೋಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? So lower right angle triangle ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. But what is the angle here? Here the angle is minus theta. Okay. So angle ಗೆ opposite side ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 90 degree opposite side, hypotenuse side ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay. And the remaining side is adjacent. So now let us write the trigonometric functions for the second right angle triangle now. So from what is from? From triangle QOM. Okay. So from triangle QOM. So sine here, see here, sine, instead of theta we have minus theta. So we have to take that angle only. Sine of minus theta is equal to, what is the definition for sine? Opposite by hypotenuse. What is the value of opposite? Minus y by hypotenuse value is 1. Okay. Similarly, cos of minus theta, because here the angle is minus theta, we have to use minus theta. Cos of minus theta is equal to, definition of cos is adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent value is x by hypotenuse value is 1. Okay. So lastly, tan of minus theta. Tan of minus theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. Opposite value is minus y by adjacent value is x. So we can write another 3 trigonometric ratios directly, right? So see here, cosecant of minus theta. Take the reciprocal of this one, that is minus 1 by y, right? So next is secant of minus theta. Secant of minus theta is 1 by x. Okay. So I will take the last one here. So what is the last one? That is cot of minus theta is equal to, take the reciprocal of tan of minus theta. Minus y by x ಇತ್ತು, reciprocal ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ minus x by y ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನೋಡಿ ಏನು ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. See here. So first one is sin of minus theta, which is equal to, here write that minus as it is. Okay. Minus. Here we have y by 1. We can replace this y by 1 as, see here, y by 1 as sin theta. Replace ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದಲ್ವಾ? Here we get sin theta. Okay. So next that is equal to, cos of minus theta is equal to x by 1 ಬಂದಿದೆ. So by using the above result, x by 1 can be replaced by cos theta. Okay. See here, write this minus as it is. Y by x can be replaced by tan theta. Tan theta. Okay, so nextly minus 1 by y ಇದೆ, write that minus as it is 1 by y. So 1 by y can be replaced by cosecant theta. Okay, cosecant theta. So secant of minus theta is equal to 1 by x ಇದೆ. So here 1 by x means that can be replaced by secant theta. Okay, so lastly I have written here cot of minus theta is equal to minus x by y ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So write that minus as it is. Okay, minus x by y. What is x by y? X by y can be replaced by cot theta. Okay, see here, if we take the negative angle, that means acute angle, what we are getting the result? See here, what is sine of minus theta? We are getting minus sine theta. ನೋಡಿ, angle negative ಇದ್ದಾಗ sine function ಇದ್ರೆ ಆ minus ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. These are the formulas. Okay, we should recall. Sine of minus theta we are getting as minus sine theta. Next, cos of minus theta. Cos of minus theta is cos theta. So what is tan of minus theta? Tan of minus theta is minus tan theta. So cosecant of minus theta is minus cosecant theta. Secant of minus theta is only secant theta, and cot of minus theta is minus cot theta. These are the 6 formulas we have to recall. So it is very easy to recall. Only for cos and secant we get positive. If the angle is negative, so then also we are getting positive only for cos and secant. Okay, so remaining 4 trigonometric functions, if the angles are negative, we get minus of that trigonometric functions. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು? cos ಮತ್ತೆ secant ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ angle negative ಇದ್ರೂ so trigonometric functions positive ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ 4 trigonometric functions angle negative ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ trigonometric function ಜೊತೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯು ಶುಡ್ add this formulas, the 6 formulas in a formula list. Okay, ನಿಮಗೆ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಆ ಲಿಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಈ 6 formulas ಅನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So next, let us move to the next topic, that is signs of trigonometric function in different quadrants. Okay, what is the sign of the trigonometric functions in a different quadrants? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಯಾವ trigonometric function ಗೆ ಏನೇನ್ ಸೈನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So if we go on to the second quadrant, what is the sign of the trigonometric functions? Okay, let us know about that one. So previous explanation ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ಅದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ explanation ನ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ, only we need formula. Okay, so ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು 6 formulas ಬಂತು, sin of minus theta, that is minus sin theta, cos of minus theta, cos theta, tan of minus theta, minus tan theta. So ಅದು 6 formulas ಏನು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಅದರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಏನು ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈನ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಸೈನ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಬಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನೋ ದಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಸೈನ್ ನೊಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಲಾಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಚಾರ್ಟನ್ನು ಬರೀತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಆ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ತುಂಬ ರಿಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಆ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ರೂಲ್ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಆಮೇಲೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಎ ಸರ್ಕಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್, ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ y axis. Okay, so with center as O, let us consider a circle with radius r. Okay, so I am not considering the unit circle. ನಾನೇನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ತಗೋತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ which is having the radius r. Okay, so here let P be any point on the circle. So let P be any point on the circle which is having the coordinates x comma y. Okay, so join OP, join OP. Okay, so here OP is the radius of the circle, so let us take that length is r. Okay, so here I am drawing a line OM which is perpendicular to the line OX. Okay, so draw PM perpendicular to OX. So in the previous explanation I have told you that. So here since the line PM is parallel to y axis, it takes y coordinate. So therefore PM length is y, and the line OM is on x axis, it takes x coordinate. So that is x, right? So here This is the, so let angle theta be the angle of the triangle POM. Okay, so now we have to discuss about the sign notation. Before going to that, so by using that figure, what is OM? What is OM? OM is X, OP. OP is the radius, and PM. PM is equal to Y. Okay. So since we know that radius is always positive, so radius is always positive, whereas the values of X and Y depends on the quadrants. Okay. X value matte Y, X matte Y sign galu, so depends on quadrant depend agutte, but radius is always positive. Okay, so see here, firstly, if P lies on first quadrant, so we know that this is the first quadrant, this is the second quadrant, this is the third quadrant, and this is the fourth quadrant. In first quadrant, both X and Y are positive. In second quadrant, X is negative, Y is positive. In third quadrant, both X and Y are negative. In fourth quadrant, X is positive, Y is negative. Okay. So here, if the point P lies on first quadrant, see here, what I have taken the point on the circle, if it is lies on first quadrant. So here in first quadrant, so both X and Y are positive. So here both X is positive and Y is positive. Okay. So before going to that, see here, I will write the definition of sine, cos and tan. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 trigonometric ratios ಗೆ explain ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. In 3 trigonometric ratios ಗೆ reciprocal ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇನೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. Okay. So sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. What is the definition of sin theta? By using the triangle POM. So separate ಬರುತ್ತೆ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕಾ? See here. So right angle triangle POM. So this is angle theta. So angle opposite. This is the length YX. This is radius R. Angle opposite is opposite side. This is the hypotenuse side because this is 90 degree. 90 degree opposite barodu hypotenuse side. Remaining side we taken as an adjacent side. Okay. So what is the definition of sin theta? Sin theta means opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is Y by R because hypotenuse is R. Okay. Cos theta. What is the definition of cos? So adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is X by opposite is R. Okay. Tan theta. Opposite by adjacent. That is Y by X. And other 3 trigonometric ratios are reciprocal of these 3. Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ reciprocal ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. So now see here. If the point P lies on first quadrant, so point P first quadrant ಬಂದ್ರೆ, what about the sign of X and Y? Both are positive. X is positive and Y is positive. Okay. So let us apply these sign notations in that 3 trigonometric functions. See here, sin theta. Sin theta is equal to, definition ಏನಿದೆ? Y by R ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. Right? So see here, what is the sign of Y? Plus by. Radius is always positive. ಇದು ನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿರಲಿ, radius is always positive, therefore R is plus. See here, plus by plus means we get plus only. Okay, so let us move to the cos theta. Cos theta is equal to, what is the definition of cos? X by R. So here in first quadrant X is positive, radius is always positive, plus by plus means we get plus only. Okay, let us move on to the tan theta. What is tan theta? Definition of tan is Y by X, which is equal to, both X and Y are positive. See here, X and Y are positive, therefore plus by plus we get plus only. See here, we are getting sin theta is positive, cos theta is positive, tan theta is positive, means what about the other 3 trigonometric ratios? That are also positive, right? So here in first quadrant we can conclude that if in first quadrant all the trigonometric ratios are positive, right? So ನೋಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸೊ 3 ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದರ್ 3 ಕೂಡ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಬಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Therefore in first quadrant all the trigonometric ratios are positive. So next let us move on to the second one. If the point P lies on second quadrant, okay, so point P ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪಿ ನ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೈಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೇಮ್ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. But what is positive and what is negative in second quadrant? Let us know about that one. What about x? X is negative, y is positive. So in second quadrant x is negative, y is positive. Okay. So let us apply these two in the trigonometric functions. Trigonometric functions nalli apply ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. So first sin theta. What is the definition of sin? Y by r. Okay. So here in second quadrant y nodi y is positive by radius is always positive. What is plus by plus? It is also plus. Okay. So what about cos theta? Cos theta is equal to, definition is x by r, which is equal to, see in second quadrant x is negative, that is minus, by radius is always positive, minus by plus is always minus. Okay. So lastly tan theta is equal to, see here, so what is the definition of tan? Y by x, which is equal to, so y is positive, x is negative, plus by minus means we get minus. See here, we are getting sin theta is positive means what about cosecant theta? That is also positive. So cos theta is minus, tan theta is minus means cos minus ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ secant theta is also minus. Tan theta is minus means therefore cot theta is also minus. That means here only sin theta and cosecant theta are positive and other four trigonometric ratios are negative. ನೋಡಿ second quadrant ಬಂದಾಗ only sin and cosecant are positive. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು? So only sin and cosecant are positive, other four trigonometric ratios are negative. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ಸೊ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಬಂದಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಆಲ್ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಆಲ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ನ ತಗೋತಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸೈನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕೊಸಿಕೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೈನ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಎಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ದಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್. ಲೆಟ್ us consider the point P on third quadrant now. See here, ಏನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನ ಈಗ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ if P lies on third quadrant, okay, so if P lies on third quadrant, then what about x? So x is negative and y is negative. Okay, both are negative in third quadrant. Let us apply in the definition. What is sin theta? Sin theta is equal to y by r. Y is negative by radius is always positive plus. So here minus by plus is minus. Okay, so next is cos theta. Definition of cos is x by r. So which is equal to minus, x is minus in the third quadrant, by radius is always plus. So minus by plus is minus. Okay, so lastly tan theta. Tan theta is y by x, which is equal to, see here, y is negative by x is negative. Negative by negative means it is always equal to positive. Nodi, if we consider the point P in third quadrant, which is a trigonometric function only positive, tan. So tan theta positive ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು trigonometric function ಯಾವುದು? Reciprocal, cot. Okay, in third quadrant only tan theta and cot theta are positive and other four trigonometric ratios are negative. What are the other four trigonometric ratios? Means sin theta, cos theta, cosecant theta and secant theta are negative in the third quadrant. Only tan theta and cot theta are positive. Okay, so see here, in third quadrant only tan and cot. Let us take the first letter of tan. Okay, only tan and cot. T ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ tan ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಕೂಡ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಇಫ್ ವಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ P ಇನ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ P ನ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಇಫ್ P ಲೈಸ್ ಆನ್ fourth quadrant. Okay, P lies in fourth quadrant. So here in fourth quadrant x is negative, y is, x is positive and y is negative. Okay. So now let us apply in the definition. Sin theta is y by r, which is equal to y is negative. Radius is always positive. Minus by plus is minus. Next is cos theta. Cos theta is x by r, which is equal to x is positive. Radius is always plus. So plus by plus is plus. Okay. Tan theta. Tan theta is y by x. Here y is negative, x is positive, minus by plus is minus. See here, in fourth quadrant, which is the trigonometric function is positive, only cos theta. So take the reciprocal of that also. Cos theta ge reciprocal yavado? Secant theta. Cos theta matte secant theta positive agutte and remaining four trigonometric ratios negative agutte. Okay. So in fourth quadrant, only cos and secant are positive, other trigonometric ratios are negative. Okay. So this is about the sign notation. So see here, in first quadrant means here, if the point P lies in first quadrant anta helidre, illi this is 0 degree. Okay, degree nalli helidre, this is 0 degree. So if we come here, this is 90 degree, this is 180 degree. Okay, this is 270 degree, and after one complete rotation, this is 360 degree. Okay. See here, if the point P lies on first quadrant andre, what is the angle between these first quadrant? Is it 0 to 90 degree? Theta lies between 0 to 90 degree. Therefore, in first quadrant, theta lies between, is it 0 degree to 90 degree? Right? 0 to 90 degree. So if we come to the second quadrant, so second quadrant alli P lie agutte andre, theta lies between 90 degree to 180 degree. Okay. So here theta lies between 90 degree to 180 degree. Okay, in second quadrant. So if we come to the third quadrant, so in third quadrant, angle lies between 180 degree to 270 degree. So here I will write, so theta lies between 180 degree to 270 degree. Okay. So next, lastly, in fourth quadrant, theta lies between 270 to 360 degree. So here theta lies between 270 degree to 360 degree. So these are all important. See here, by using this important points, I will draw a chart. Okay. So ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಬರಿತೀನಿ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಮುಗೀತಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಅಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಫಿಗರ್ ನ ನೋಡಿ, ಹಾಗೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬಂದಿದೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್, ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್, so 0 degree, this is 90 degree, this is 180 degree, 270. So after completing one rotation, this comes to 360 degree. So this is first quadrant. In first quadrant, x is positive, both x and y are positive. Okay. So in second quadrant, x is negative, y is positive. So this is the third quadrant. In third quadrant, both are negative. This is fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, x is positive, y is negative. Okay. See here, in first quadrant, all the trigonometric ratios are positive, right? So all the trigonometric ratios, therefore I have taken the letter A. So in second quadrant, which are the trigonometric ratios positive? Only sine and cosecant. In second quadrant, only sine and cosecant are positive. In third quadrant, only tan and cot are positive and other four are negative. Okay. In fourth quadrant, cos and secant are positive and other four trigonometric ratios are negative. Okay. So in first quadrant, what is the angle? So theta lies between, see I am writing here, theta lies between 0 degree to 90 degree. Okay. And in second quadrant, theta lies between 90 degree to 180 degree. Okay. So theta lies between 90 degree to 180 degree. So in third quadrant, theta lies between 180 degree to 270 degree. Okay. In fourth quadrant, theta lies between 270 degree to 360 degree. ಸೊ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಲ್ಲೇ ಬರಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ASTC. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ we are getting a rule called ASTC rule. So this chart we call it as an ASTC rule. ಏನು ASTC ಅಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್, ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್. First quadrant all the trigonometric ratios positive, second quadrant sine and cosecant, third quadrant tan and cot, so fourth quadrant cos and secant are positive, and remaining 4 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು trigonometric functions ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಈ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಿಗೆ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ, ಲೈಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಯಾವ್ದ್ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.